Hello everyone, welcome back to Solid Geometry series. Today we will continue with orthogonal relations and I have a very exciting problem for you. Here it is. Let ABCD be a tetrahedron with triangular base BCD. AD is perpendicular to the plane BCD and DE is an altitude of triangle BCD. A. Prove that plane ADE is perpendicular to plane ABC. B. Draw BK perpendicular to CD and BF perpendicular to AC. Prove that plane BFK is perpendicular to plane ABC. And C. Let H and N be the orthocenters of triangle ABC and BCD respectively. Prove that HN is perpendicular to plane ABC. Feel free to pause the video if you would like to give it a try. Otherwise, stay tuned for the solution. Part A. We are given AD is perpendicular to the base plane BCD. So that means BC is perpendicular to AD. In addition, BC is also perpendicular to DE because DE is an altitude of triangle BCD. So together, BC is perpendicular to the plane ADE. But BC is contained in the plane ABC. Thus, plane ABC is perpendicular to plane ADE. Moving on to part B, we have BK is perpendicular to AD. Moreover, BK is also perpendicular to CD. Therefore, BK is perpendicular to plane ACD. So we have AC is perpendicular to BK, and we call that result number 1. But AC is also perpendicular to BF. We call that result number 2. From 1 and 2, we have AC is perpendicular to plane BFK, which is perpendicular to any plane that contains AC. Since AC is contained in the plane ABC, thus plane BFK is perpendicular to plane ABC. Moving on to part C. In part A, we proved that plane ADE is perpendicular to plane ABC. Then in part B, we proved that plane BFK is perpendicular to plane ABC. But HN is the common line of intersections between plane ADE and plane BFK. So by theorem number 2 that we talked about in the first video, we can deduce that HN is perpendicular to plane ABC. So I strongly encourage you to watch video number 1 if you have not, because in that video I cover the fundamental theorems in orthogonal relations that can be very useful for proving problems like this. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.